Do you own one of these bad boys known as a dishwasher? If you do, this video is for you. Listen up. I'm going to show you what the dirtiest spot in anybody's kitchen is, and you cannot change my mind. That is final. Let me show you. Right here, right under there is the dirtiest spot in anybody's kitchen. Let me explain why. When was the last time you've cleaned it? I'll be honest, I've lived here for 4 years and I've never cleaned it up until now. Right there, people pick their nose, pick their bums, pick their ears, pick everything. You open up 1,000 times a day. Who knows where your hands have been? If you disagree with me, I don't care. That is the dirtiest spot in anybody's kitchen. Do you agree?